Replacing the battery in your 2017 Ford Fusion key fob is a simple DIY task. You'll need a CR 2032 battery costing around $2 to $5 and a small flathead screwdriver or plastic pry tool. The process should take approximately 5 to 10 minutes. First, locate the seam on the fob's back or side. It's typically secured by clips or screws. Carefully pry open the case using your small screwdriver or plastic pry tool. Be gentle to avoid scratching the surface. Remove the old battery, making sure to note the polarity with the positive side facing up. Insert the new CR 2032 battery, ensuring the correct orientation with the positive side facing up. Snap the case shut securely. If not closed properly, water can enter and shorten the fob's life. Test the functionality by locking and unlocking your doors. Safety tips. Ground yourself to avoid static electricity that could damage the electronics. If your fob has a physical key blade, handle it carefully to prevent bending. If your fob signal is weak after battery replacement, ensure the case is fully and correctly closed to prevent water ingress, which can damage the electronics. Double-check the battery polarity. The battery should last 1 to 2 years under normal use. If issues persist, consult your Ford service manual or online Ford forums. Note that newer Ford models, post-2017, increasingly use smartphone-based entry systems via Ford Pass Connect, reducing reliance on physical fobs and replaceable batteries. By 2030, app-based systems are expected to dominate, potentially rendering fobs like those in the Fusion obsolete. Consider this repair a way to extend the life of your current fob as technology shifts towards more sustainable, integrated solutions.